This is urgent. Trying to make sense of little change. Got me a war in my mind. Let it go away.
Jumping straight into this unboxing. So from Unice, I received eyelashes, I received a wig cap, and I also received a headband. Now the wig did come smelling fresh, smelling clean. I noticed that the hair texture was very much so kinky, very much so 4C natural. It came with clips and a little bit of lace in the back that I went ahead and cut, as well as the slits down the middle of the wig. When I initially placed the wig onto my head to see how it would fit, I noticed that it was running rather large. And I do have a large head, but it's one size fits all with the upart wig. And that's something to note. If you do have a smaller head, you might want a vpart wig instead of the upart. In this part of the video, I will be showing you my braid pattern and how I make sure my upart wig is properly secured. If you don't want to see this part of the video, no problem, sis. You can skip towards the end and watch the review and see how I actually style my hair. So babe, right now I'm just braiding my leave out before I start with my braid pattern. So the first two braids that I do, I'm going to make sure I do those first because those are going to be the actual braids that the clips of my upart wig are going to be clamped down to. So I want to do those first. So later on in my braid pattern, those two braids will be woven into the braid pattern. And this may sound a little difficult or a little like weird because this is our first time doing it, but it's super easy. I just pretty much braided one line and then I braided another line, and I later made sure that the braid was joined with the rest of my braid pattern. And I didn't make this super tight or super thick or super skinny. I just pretty much did what I can do. I'm not a professional, and also I'm tender-headed, so I don't like tight braids. And I feel like even though I didn't braid my braids super tight, they actually was like still secure, and I still have them up in my head. And right now, as I'm doing this voiceover, my hair has been like this for at least two and a half weeks. So I feel like they last, and they're super like durable. Like I love that the clips really do like clip in there, and they're good to go. So as you can see, my hair texture and the wig are like spot on, and the hair color is just spot on. So I love that about it. Also, I noticed that when I was taking down my braids, if I had just blown my braids out, they probably would blend really, really nicely with this upart wig. So if you're looking for everyday style, I'd like it. I personally have used it in just doing like a ponytail, a bun to the back of my hair. It's been like super beneficial, and all I have to do is put a little edge control, a little styling mousse or something in my hair, and I can go. So I really do like that about it. But right now I wanted to see how it would look straight, so I'm putting some heat protecting spray on my hair, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put my products that I'm gonna show you a little bit later in the video, my products that I put in my hair to straighten it. It's like a pomade by Dark and Lovely and my chia serum. I'm just putting that in my hair, and I'm gonna straighten it to see how my hair will look straightened with the wig. So I really do feel like my hair, for being a naturalista, I was happy how my hair was straightened. I didn't want it bone straight, but it was straight enough for me. I will also add that in the next clip I will be straightening the hair itself, the wig, and I think that it will all tie together. So stay tuned for that. And I will also say, like, for me to be like very hormonal at this time with acne, breakouts and stuff like that, this wig made me feel like more put together. And that's all I'm trying to achieve on the everyday basis, is to look put together. Girl, tell me that this is not giving blown out. It's giving natural. It's giving everyday. It's giving, girl, put a headband on and just go. It's giving, it's the vibe, really. I can just put it in a ponytail, put it in a top bun. I can do a lot with that. So I was really happy with that. And then I'm going to cut out a lot of the part of me flat ironing this wig because it took a while. But I will say I was happy that it held the heat well. I felt like it matched my hair texture, being a little more silky, but not too bone straight. Like, it's not relaxed or straight. So I love that about the wig. So it was true to its texture, and it's held a really good heat tolerance. So keep watching to see how I put this look together, because I felt like it was super, super cute. Okay, so we are coming to the end of the video. I got the wig, the upart wig on there. I feel like it was so big that I'm like, the parting I had to redo. So I redid it, and I had like literally made a U in my head, and I got a bigger leave out. But with the bigger leave out, you can kind of see like where my hair stops and the weave is all the way, like you can kind of see that. So I'm trying to blend it, but of course I got natural hair, and my hair is gonna, as much as products as I'm using, the humidity is gonna get to my hair, it's gonna frizz up. But I feel like overall I'm liking it. So I do have the wig in for myself, and just going off of what I feel like the first time I did it, my leave out was very minimal, but unfortunately the cap size of this unit is large. A vpart wig is probably what I should have got, and I probably will get that, but this upart wig is good and versatile. Definitely if I wanted to do like braids, like half up, half down. So I can't wait to really style this unit, but just note, if you want minimal leave out, if you're trying to really protect your natural hair, a upart probably wouldn't be the best option. You probably want to get a vpart. Jumping back onto this upart unit, so with me having a bigger leave out, I'm noticing that, as you guys probably can tell, hopefully it's not too bright, but you can see like where my hair ends and where the wig keeps going. I feel like that is so ratchet. I hate it to the core of me. Like, I really do hate that this is not more seamless. And I feel like when I go outside and that humidity hits my natural hair, because this is a kinky unit, because I wanted to mimic my natural hair, I want it to look like I have a silk press. So yes, it blends really nicely. It blends really nicely. It looks like my hair. But maybe I need to cut layers into it. Like, comment down below what I can do personally to make this even more blendable, because I just noticed that, and maybe I shouldn't have got a 20-inch. This is a 20-inch, so it's super long. But my hair just stops right here, and then the wig, I just feel like it ain't blending like it should be blending all the way. So blending, I would give that about a 7 out of 10, because I wish it blended better, to be honest. But also, I am a naturalista and my hair is gonna poof up. Also, when it comes to my hair blending, so I want to touch back on that. The hair color, I have a natural brown, dark brown color. It's literally on point. I feel like it's on point with my hair color. I don't have to dye it or anything. So that's a 10 out of 10 for hair color blending in with the natural girl. Also, I just wanted to talk about the clips. Your upart wig is held by clips, like it attaches to your braids by clips. The combs, I don't really care for combs, but I will say, surprisingly, the combs on this wig are actually like not bad. Like, they're comfortable. I almost forgot I had a wig on yesterday. I started scratching my head and I was like, oh yeah, this is a wig, don't scratch too hard. But I forgot I had a wig on for a minute, so it was definitely very comfortable. It wasn't too bad with pulling on my hair, pulling on my edges, as long as you don't, for me, I'm not braiding my hair tight because I'm tender-headed. So as long as you don't braid your hair tight, the combs are actually comfortable and they actually do secure your hair. So with this hair coming from Amazon, I was actually surprised that the shipping time literally was like that. Y'all know Amazon been having their delays and other things going on with their supply chain. So 2-day shipping ain't really 2-day shipping. Sometimes I'll be like, okay, this is Amazon, but I really was very like surprised that I got it literally the next day that I ordered it. So I ordered it on maybe a Friday. I got it on a Saturday, wore it on work in time. Like, I was out in the street Sunday looking cute. So Monday, my hair was just ready to go. But I will say the shipping time was so good. So if you need something and it's like, I need to look good, my hair, I'm in between braiding styles right now, I just want my hair to look put together, this is that wig, and I love that for me. Also, I wanted to just add, I paid for this out of my pocket. This is not sponsored, and I actually do love this for me. Like, I really do love this hair. I love the hair color, the hair texture. I will be buying from them again. I will be probably buying the vpart wig, and I'm gonna look at Unice's, it looks like they have a half wig, like half up, half down headband wig. So I'll be trying a little bit of everything from Unice. So hopefully this wig will be in my closet for a while and I can just use it in between hairstyles. And I just love that for me. And we're gonna leave this review on a good note. I definitely do recommend it if you don't already have it. If you're thinking about getting it, go ahead and get it. I probably would get it in a smaller size. So instead of a 20-inch, if you want it to look more natural, maybe something up here, maybe like a 16 or 18. So that is what I'll probably be doing with my vpart wig. I want it to look as natural as possible and little leave out as possible. But yes, definitely click the link in my description for this wig. I'll leave it down there. I'm not a gatekeeper. I want you guys to get everything you're supposed to be getting, and I want you guys to look cute, and that's all we're doing for spring 2022. We're looking cute, very affordable style, and as always, stay dope, stay beautiful, and stay uplifted. I will see you guys in my next video. If you haven't already hit that subscribe button, babes, what are you waiting for? CC Squad, become a member, and I will see you guys in the next video.